सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। Visa sasojusho ruhu. Everybody understood that sutra?
Yes.
Next sutra is Atorora Plutadaplute. These two are Visarga Sandhi sutras. Sasojusho ruhu and Atorora Plutadaplute. This sutra niyama is Aplutad Ataha. Pluta means this one. This three is there, na? That is called Pluta. Means when we call anybody with long, like Rama, when we say that is called Pluta. That akara is pronounced long way. That is called Pluta. So apluta means it is not Pluta. Aplutat ataha akara means it is Hrasva akara. After Hrasva akara, if there is Rukara, then that Rukara will be replaced by Ukara. Also, it should be Rukara should followed by Akara. Rukara preceded by Akara and followed by Akara. Then that Rukara will be replaced by Ukara. This is very simple. Rukara should be there, before that Akara, and after that one Akara. Then that Ru will be changed into Ukara. Example is Shivaru. Shiv, Ru is there, plus A is there. Here, Rukara preceded by Akara and followed by Akara. Then that Rukara will be replaced by Ukara. This is by Aturora Pluta Daplute, by this sutra. And this is not finished by this sutra. After again, this Akara and Ukara. Between these two, Adguna will apply. Akara, when it is followed by Ukara, that Ukara will get Okara. Both are replaced by Okara, by Adgunaha. Shiva O Archyaha. Then Shivo Archyaha. This Ingaha Padantadati. After Okara, Purva Rupa will happen. So here another step has to come. Shiva plus Archyaha. Shivo plus Archaha. Okara, when it is followed by Akara, then that Okara, then both will be replaced by Okara. which is Purva Rupa, by Engaha Padantad Ati. Shivo, Shivorchyaha. The form should be in this way. This is the actual form. But later Acharyas bring this avagraha to recognize there is akara. Shivorchyaha. Otherwise, we will not recognize there is akara without using the avagraha or khandakara. Is this sutra clear? 3 sutras are involved in this.
What is the meaning of Shivorchyaha?
Shivaha Archyaha. So Archyaha is worship. Shiva is worshipping.
Is worshipping or worship worthy? Which way do we understand? Archyaha.
Yes, that worship worthy.
Thank you.
Yes. It's a samana vibhakti is there. So Shivaha Archyaha worship worthy. Nobody has any doubt in this? How we, in Shastra, how we will read this? Shivorchaha is there. If we want to split, how we will split it?
Would it be Shivaha Archyaha?
Shivaha Archyaha. But how it becomes Shivaha Archyaha? This process is showing that Shivaru Archyaha, and we came out with the Shivorchaha. There is no Shivaha Archyaha, right?
I think that Ang in the end of Shivoru, it becomes Lopa. And I don't know how the Ru becomes Rupa. I'm sorry.
Anybody? Now we are not going into this process. Shivaru is there. Shivaru is the Padanta. Pada. Padanta Rukara will get Visarga. By which sutra?
Sasajushuruhu.
Sasajushuruhu, Sakara will get Rutva. Right? Rukara is getting Visarga. By which sutra?
Kharavasanayor Visarjani.
Yes. Kharavasanayor Visarjaniyaha. By this sutra, the Trukara is getting Visarga. So when we split in Shastra, we are using this sutra. Shivaru is the, Shivo is the Shabda there. So Okara. Okara, how Okara comes? Because the original Shabda is Shivaru. Shivaru is directly we are splitting into Shivaha. That way. Kotraha is there. So what happens here? They have given Kaha Atra. Visarga change into Rukara. Rukara change into Okara. Then Kotra. How Visarga will change into Rukara? Hmm.
That Visarjaniyasya Saha.
No, Visarjaniyasya Saha won't apply there because it should be followed by Nimitta is Kar. So their Kar is not there, their Akara is there. Actually, directly that Visarga cannot change into Rukara. What they have given Kaha Atra, we cannot go in this process to in this process, I think. I will check. Soyam Saha Ayam. I'll check this process. Okay. Anusha is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. First one.
पञ्चबालकाः षड्बालिकाः सप्तपुस्तकानि अष्टजनाः नववस्त्राणि दशफलानि छात्र सन्ति ఐదుగురు అబ్బాయిలు ఆరుగురు అమ్మాయిలు 7 పుస్తకాలు 8 మంది 9 వస్త్రాలు 10 పండ్లు ఉన్నాయి
Atra.
అక్కడ ఉన్న
Atra means? Tatra means?
అక్కడ ఛాత్ర
Chatra. What? Chatra means? Umbrella?
ఫలాని ఛాత్ర సంతి అంటే తెలియదమ్మా చా అంటే ఉత్తు చా వస్తుంది కదమ్మా ఛాత్ర
Cha
అంటే.
plus Atra, right?
Yes. Cha plus Atra.
ఓకే సారీ అక్కడ ఉన్నాయి అమ్మా.
Atra means Mariyu.
మరియు మరియు
Tra.
మరియు
Atra means ikkada, not akkada. Ikkada.
ఇక్కడ ఉంది
Okay. Aparna ji?
प्रथम छात्रः द्वितीय बाला तृतीय पुस्तकः
चतुर्थ पुस्तकं पञ्चम पुत्रः षष्ठकविः सप्तमदिनम् अष्टमवर्षः नवमतिथि दशमक्रोशः. First student, second girl, third book, fourth book, fifth son, sixth poet, seventh day, eighth year, ninth tithi or ninth day, 10th Krosha.
Distance.
What are- Okay,
Distance.
what would you say? 10th distance. 10 kilometers. I will say Dashama Krosha.
I don't think that distance meaning won't fit here.
Yeah, that's it. Or maybe it is kosher, I think. Maybe there's a
Roshaha
Ra-
is another meaning.
Dashama, what would this be?
అమ్మా, 10
Something
క్రోష్ల
else.
దూరం అంతేనమ్మా? 10 క్రోష్ల దూరం అంటారు అట్లానేమో డిస్టెన్స్ తెలుగులో.
It says measure of
క్రోష మీన్స్ మైల్ ఆల్సో అమ్మా. 10th మైల్ తెలుగులో అన్నారు
Okay,
కదా.
so 10th mile. Okay. Okay, yeah, 10th mile.
Okay. Next one. Shirshaji, Prabhaji.
There's a third one. Shishyah gurum guroho va anukaroti. So, okay, anukaroti means follows. Shishyah. So they have used both the second vibhakti and the sixth vibhakti. Is it?
Yes.
No. Right. Sixth vibhakti. So Shishya follows the guru. Yeah, in English, I think it just follows the guru, right?
Yes. 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 Next one.
I thought there is a distinction, follows the guru and follows of the guru. Whatever the guru says, their instructions. So there is this Mahatma who said, Guru ko mante hain, but Guru ki nahi mante hain.
I think they are using the Karmani Shashti. Either you can use Karma Vibhakti or Karmani Shashti Vibhakti you can use. That way they might have given. But if that kind of meaning is there, then it is okay. What is the difference between using Shashti?
They are differentiating between just following the guru or following the guru's words. So in
Dvitiya, following the guru.
Right. But
In
usually we encompass both into the same, right? In Shashti, it is what he says is what I think Uma Mohan said.
Okay. Okay. Next
Often
one.
we worship the person, right? It is not just the person, it is the teachings of the person. The distinction between the person, we often worship the person and may not follow the teachings. So that is the distinction.
Okay. Okay. Next one.
नृपः राज्यम् अधिकरोति. King rules the kingdom.
Yes. Next one.
Authorizes, right?
Mhm.
Avashriti was authorizes, right?
Yeah, rules
Adhi-
also.
Rules also.
Adhikar Parna, so I thought rules.
Hmm. Okay, next one. Uma.
Okay. Durjanaha sajjanasya apakaroti. I'm assuming apakaroti means steals from. So the bad person steals from the good person. Apakaroti is what?
Not apahara is different. Hru dhatu. Steals is hru dhatu.
Oh, apahara. Okay.
Hru-
What is
ha.
apakaroti?
Apakaroti.
Urai Karna.
Sorry, I couldn't hear.
Urai Karna.
Criticizes.
Yeah.
But to criticize, ninda.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Yes. So the bad person criticizes the good one.
Next, Upendra ji.
Audible, Amma?
Yes, yes.
नृपः चोरं तिरस्करोति. The king तिरस्करोति. Meaning of tiraskaroti is
Insult.
karma.
Insult.
Insults the thief. On
The thief, the king is insulting the thief. Okay, next one. Vijayaji.
शिष्यः మునిత్రయం నమస్కరోతి. శిష్యుడు మునులకు నమస్కరిస్తున్నాడు.
ఎంతమందికి?
ముగ్గురు మునులకు.
Shishya is doing namaskar to 3 munis. Next one, Anusha.
నరః దుఃఖం ప్రతికుర్యాత్. మనుషులు దుఃఖాన్ని ప్రతిస్పందించాలి. దుఃఖమును ప్రతిస్పందించాలి.
Naraha is ekavachanam or bahuvachanam?
ఏకవచనం. మనిషి. మనిషి దుఃఖమును ప్రతిస్పందించాలి.
ప్రతిస్పందించాలి. Pratikuryat. Pratikuryat means?
ప్రతీకారం.
ప్రతీకారం తీర్చుకోవాలి.
Man must avenge sorrow. In Vivek Chudamani, apratikara purvaka. Titiksha, right?
Yes.
Sahanam sarva dukkha apratikara purvakam. They said dukkham pratikuryat.
Just a question, Purnaji. When you had given the word, you said to react. So should we take it as man should not react to dukkham?
But this is not opposite word, right? Pratikuryat is to react. Prati kru. Prati plus kru is to react.
Hmm.
He should react to sorrow.
Oh, should not. Okay, got it. Thank you.
అమ్మ తెలుగులో ఒకసారి చెప్పరమ్మా అంటే మనిషి దుఃఖంని
ప్రతీకారం తీర్చుకుంటున్నాడు.
ప్రతీకారించుకుంటున్నాడమ్మా.
ప్రతీకారం తీర్చుకుంటున్నాడు. తీర్చుకోవాలి, సారీ, కుర్యాత్ తీర్చుకోవాలి. మనిషి దుఃఖానికి ప్రతీకారం తీర్చుకోవాలి.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అపర్ణాజీ.
नृपः सज्जनस्य उपकरिष्यति. The king will favor the noble one.
నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ప్రభాజీ.
So we did the 10th, right? Vidya Jnanam Samskaroti. Vidya Samskaroti is so Vidya gives Jnanam. Please say it. Say it again.
You say what you are saying.
No, I was asking should I say Vidya gives Jnanam?
No. Some giving is not there, na? So samskaroti, in general, samskaroti.
Samskaram. It gives the samskaram of.
The meaning I have given, pure.
Okay.
So we can say study makes also, it is not there, samskaroti.
How about clarification? Jnanam, Vidya, knowledge gives clarification. Clear jnana.
Samshaya viparyas will go.
Yeah.
Can we say education purifies knowledge?
Yes.
Knowledge cannot be purified. You have to get clear knowledge.
Yeah, purifies in the sense getting clear knowledge. But in Laukika, we can say education will get purifies, because uneducated people won't have proper discipline and all. So in the Laukika sense, we can use that.
Education brings pure knowledge.
Education means?
Vidya, Jnanam is there. So education brings pure knowledge or something.
Yeah, to use the bring, that word they have not. If we do some pada adhyahara, then it is okay. Yeah.
Srishaki, can you please repeat that one?
So the education purifies knowledge.
But in the sense of Laukika only. Okay, next one.
Should I go, Poonaji?
Yes.
Kanya shariram alankaroti. Girl beautifies her body.
Dress up her body. Make up or.
Dresses.
Okay, next one. Umama.
प्राज्ञः विमानं धूम्रयानं च आविष्करोति. Man or person discovers the plane plane and the train, the steam train.
The invents, right? Invents.
Avishkaroti is invents. I said discover. Invention is better because it is invented by man. Yes.
Okay. Next one. Upendraji.
What did you
हि
say?
एतद् धनं
प्राज्ञः?
स्वीकरोति.
1 minute. Aparnaji, what
Sorry.
you are
What was said for प्राज्ञः?
Prajnaha, wise person. What did you say, Uma?
I just said man.
Man. Okay.
Persons. Man.
Wise person. Wise person we can say Prajnaha.
But in some sense, it also used before, right? Or
Before? Prayena Ajnaha.
prior.
Prayena Ajnaha. Before he was.
Is it intelligent person or?
Yes. Prajnaha means intelligent. Okay, next. Shivana, sorry. Upendraji.
The sage karoti, takes this money, this wealth.
Yes. Next one, Vijayaji.
That last, just 1 minute. The last sentence. What did he say for Swikaroti?
Takes.
I couldn't hear.
Takes.
Accepts is also okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, accepts in the sense of taking only, na?
Yeah, usually takes is like by force, generally. But yeah, accepts is the same. Yeah.
Okay, next one.
सः गुरुम् अन्वकरोत् అతడు గురువును అనుసరిస్తాడు.
Anvakarot, which lakara?
అనుసరించాలి.
Yes. Next one. He should follow the guru. Next one. Anusha.
गुरुः शिष्यस्य उपकारं वा करोत्. అకరోత్. గురువు శిష్యుడికి సాయం చేశాడు లేదా ఉపకారం చేశాడు.
అంతే. Guru helps the shishya. Helper the shishya. Past tense. Next one. Aparnaji.
आज पुस्तकें 6 छात्रः 7 लड़कियां 8 आसन 9 गुरु 10 राजा यहाँ है. 5 पुस्तकानि 6 छात्राः, 7 कन्याः, 8 आसनानि, 9 गुरून्, 10 नृपाः अत्र सन्ति.
What is Nava after Nava?
गुरून्.
Why Guru?
No, no. This will not be Prathama Bahuvachan. So, Guru. No.
Guravaha.
Gurvaha. Gurava. Gurava.
Guravaha.
Gurava.
Then what is that? Dasha?
Dasha. Nripaha.
Rupaha. Okay. Here Pathaka is there. Then we can say Dasha Adhyapaka. Adhyapakaha.
Oh, okay. In my book it was Rajaya.
It's okay. Atra Santi.
Atra Santi.
Next one, Prabhaji.
Panchvi.
Upendraji.
Cha is needed. And
Cha.
then
Yes, yes. Cha. Cha is required there. Cha atra santi. Prabhaji, continue.
पांचवी पुस्तक, छठा छात्र, सातवीं लड़की, आठवां आसन, नवें गुरु, 10वें राजा भी यहाँ पर ही हैं. पंचम पुस्तकः,
Pustaka is which linga?
Pustakam, sorry, Pustakam. Sorry.
Then we can use the Vachana also, linga also for Panchama. Then what it comes?
Panchama, I thought it was always Nitya Pullinga. Oh, but it is Panchama, sorry, right. So, would it be Panchama, right? Even
Panchama.
then?
Panchamam Pustakam.
Right. Panchama Pustaka.
Panchamam Pustakam.
Pustakam. Sorry. Panchama Pustakam.
No, Panchamam.
Oh, there is an extra. Okay. Panchamam Pustakam. Shashtaha, right? So, Shat. It will be Shashtaha, right? Or did I say it wrong?
Yes, Shashtaha.
Shashtaha Chhatraha.
Chhatraha.
Oh, no, but it is not, it's the 6th
Yes.
student, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, Shashtaha Chhatraha. Saptami.
Saptamaha. Ladki na? Saptami.
Saptami Kanya. So that will be again Dirgha E, right?
Yes.
Okay. Saptami Kanya. Asan. Ashtamaha Asandaha.
Asanam could be Napumsakalinga, right?
Oh, okay. Then Ashtamam Asanam. Nave Guru. Navamaha Guruhu. Dashamaha Raja. Atra bhiyah atra cha. Do we have to put a cha here? Cha atra santi.
Api. Bhi means api, na?
Oh, right. Api, right, okay.
We don't need
api,
cha.
could you please repeat?
We don't need cha. Bhi
Okay.
is huh.
Api dashamah raja api atra atra santi is fine, or yeah, atra santi.
अत्र एव सन्ति is the need. He is there.
Yes, yes. Atraiva santi.
Huh.
Okay. Atra.
So cha also we can use api cha. Sorry. Api cha atra eva santi. Okay, next one. Shirisha ji.
वह पिता का अनुकरण करता है। सः पितरम् अनुकरोति।
Next one, Uma amma.
शत्रु नगर पर अधिकार करता है। शत्रु नगरम अधिकरोति।
Shatru is which form?
शत्रुहु, I guess.
Yes.
शत्रुहु नगरम अधिकरोति.
Next one, Upendra ji.
चोरः मम अपकारं करोति।
Can you repeat again?
करोति।
Oh, we couldn't hear. Choraha. Okay, choraha.
मम अपकारं करोति।
Apakaram karoti. Okay, apakaroti or apakaram karoti. What is the word you used for mera? Okay, we can use the shashti or dvitiya. We can use mam or mama. Choraha mam apakaroti. Or choraha mama apakaram karoti. Apakaroti. Next one, Vijaya.
मूर्ख विद्वान का तिरस्कार करता है। मूर्खः विद्वान means prajna.
You can use prajna.
मूर्खः प्राज्ञस्य तिरस्करोति।
Prajna should be in which vibhakti?
विद्वान का is षष्ठी। प्राज्ञस्त्वं।
Prajna shashti vibhakti will come in. How it comes? Prajna.
प्राज्ञ
Prajnasya. Akaranta.
That's what I'm
Ramas.
saying. मूर्खः प्राज्ञस्य तिरस्करोति.
So Vidwan also Shabda is there, but it is Vidushaha.
विदुषु
Vidushaha.
विदुषः.
Vidwan, Vidwansau, Vidwansaha, Vidwansam, Vidwansau, Vidushaha. Vidusha, Vidvadbhyam. Like that it goes. Okay, next.
My
विदुभ्यां
guru.
विदुभ्यः.
Prabhaji, you were asking something?
No, it was Aparna, I think.
లేదమ్మా,
Aparna. Okay, Anusha, continue.
मैं गुरु को नमस्कार करता हूँ. अहम गुरुं नमस्करोमि.
Yes. Next one, Aparna ji.
तूने शत्रुओं का प्रतिकार किया.
Karta हूँ, 1 minute. Karta हूँ should be in which lakara? Lot lakara. Right?
No, it's not low.
No.
Lat only, right? Lat only. Okay.
Yes.
I thought the lat lakara karta hai is there, na? Here karta ho. Okay. It's Uttam Purusha. Okay.
It's like a continuous thing. That's the.
No. Here hai is there. Here who is there. So that's why I thought it is lot. But it is because of Uttam Purusha.
Right, correct.
Okay, okay. Aparna ji, continue.
तूने शत्रुओं का प्रतिकार किया. त्वं शत्रून् शत्रून्
Prati उपसर्ग
प्रति
कृत धातु.
प्रकृधातु. So prati ka prati and then a and then ka. So then prati.
It is lang lakara, right? Pratyakarot.
Pratyakarot.
Prati akarot. Pratyakarot. Okay, next one.
The Shatru is in 6th case or Dvitiya?
Dvitiya.
So Shatrun, right?
Shatrun. Bahuvachan.
Shatrun, right.
I think they have used karmani shashti in all these. That's why they have given ka in all those words. So they used shashti. Then if we use shashti, shatrunam, bahuvachan. But in Shastra also many times shashti, karmani shashti is used. Karma is very rarely used, Dvitiya. Many types, shashti only. Okay, next one.
मैंने छात्रों का उपकार किया. मैंने अहम छात्राणाम करोमि अहं छात्राणाम् उपाकरोमि.
Upakaromi.
No, okay, sorry.
Akarot, akurutam,
Oh.
akurvan.
Okay. अहं छात्राणाम् कुर्वान्. No, is that correct?
Upa is the correct because akara, lang lakara,
Yeah.
akara will come. Upa is correct. But
The dhatu is wrong.
Upakaravam, right? Upakaravam.
Akarom. Akarom.
Ham upakaravam.
Upakaravam. Yes. Upakaravam. Next one. Shirsha ji.
बालिका ने अपने शरीर को अलंकृत किया. बालिका अपने स्वं शरीरम
स्वस्य sharirasya. Swasharirasya we can use, and this is samastapada, then we can say swasya sharirasya.
स्वस्य शरीरस्य अलंकरोति.
It is not present tense, right? Past tense, right? Like previous one. Upakar kiya. Alankarot.
अलंकरोत.
Purna ji, would the when it goes after alam, won't that change to alam karo? Then I don't know.
That akara will get by Ato Gune Sutra, both akaras will replaced by one akara. Assuming that.
Okay.
And we don't have that form also. It is not upasarga. Alam is not upasarga. It is avyaya. So I haven't seen that kind of form. Alankarot. Alankarot is okay. Next one. But there is a sutra that when two akaras comes, then two akaras will be replaced by one akara by atogune.
Okay. And because usually savarna dirgha would make it long, right? But
Yes.
where does this get applied?
Okay, we'll finish this and we'll go
Okay,
to
no
sutra.
problem.
Okay, next one.
I think it's my turn.
Yes.
गुरु आसन को अलंकृत करता है. गुरुः आसनम अलंकरोति.
Next one. Upendra ji.
I think he left the meeting.
అమ్మ లెఫ్ట్ అయ్యారమ్మ.
ओके हाँ नेक्स्ट विजया जी
बुद्धिमान विमान और रेलगाड़ी का उपयोग करते हैं।
हम्म
बुद्धिमान इज बुद्धिमान।
प्राज्ञः we can use
ओके। प्राज्ञः विमानं धूम्रयानं च
धूम्रयानम
ओके धूम्रयानं च उपयोगं करोति।
you can say like that or उपकरोति
ओके उपकरोति।
or उपयोगं करोति both are okay next one
अम्मा शिष्य इस पुस्तक को स्वीकार करता है। शिष्यः అమ్మ ఇస్ అంటే ఏం చెప్పాం పుస్తకం
this book ఈ పుస్తకం शिष्यः एतत् पुस्तकं
ఏతత్ పుస్తకం స్వీకరోతి।
is it द्वितीय हाँ द्वितीय
అమ్మ
हाँ स्वीकरोति और स्वीकारं करोति
So when do we use etat and when do we use idam?
we can use both
Okay.
both are same meanings next one अपर्णा जी
मैं शरीर को शुद्ध करता हूँ। अहम शरीरम शुद्धम करोमि।
Here that saskaroti is there, right? We can use that.
संस्करोति yes
Samskar.
संस्करोमि okay next one प्रभा जी
नेक्स्ट इज संस्कृत भाषा मनुष्य को संस्कृत करती है। ओके संस्कृत भाषां भाषा मनुष्ये not मनुष्य would it be मनुष्यस्य is it मनुष्यः so मनुष्यस्य
मनुष्यं
मनुष्यां oh
मनुष्यं
मनुष्यं no it says co that's okay yeah that's right okay मनुष्यं संस्करोति।
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ